again, and today we are here again in Sport Beat, and this is again Bhushan joining us back again, and we will be discussing today's match about the Mumbai Indians and the Royal Challengers Bangalore. So this has been a disappointment for both of us, as we both are MI fans, and it's been a completely heartbroken match for both. I think both of us. So even I can't express the what I will say. This has been a totally disappointing day for us. Even when Rohit Sharma was even batting, we thought that yeah, Mumbai Indians will win it as the openers what the openers have started. But just after the openers went away, it was a complete downfall of a whole huge building. The middle order was devastatedly played bad, and what could even the lower orders do? Even Bumrah was, I was saying, the Bumrah was hitting in order to give some confidence to all the MI fans. So let's start a discussion of RC versus Mumbai. But before starting a discussion, I want to say all the audience who are watching our videos. So guys, uh, we have been doing these videos for a long time, and it's been huge for us to see several audience joining our videos and subscribe to the channel. Now we need to have a more rise. So please subscribe, like, share, and do more and more so that we can get huge famous success that I'm telling you. Okay. So now let's start our match discussion. So first of all, as you have seen that the Royal Challengers Bangalore, they started great well unless Devta Padikkal went out early in the match. But the captain, the run machine, Virat Kohli is the first Indian to score 10,000 runs in the T20 cricket from India. So this is a great achievement for Virat Kohli. And also, this Kohli's form, we are seeing the old vintage Kohli back again. So do you think it's actually a very profit for not only RC but also for India?
Yes, that's a good sign for both of them. Kohli is looking in serious form. He is performing very well, giving them a good start. So that's good. And what we can say, we think we might have got again that old fearless run machine Kohli.
Hmm. Okay. And now even if we talk about the next battings that we have seen in RCB's lineup, we have seen Glenn Maxwell. Man, he has done a great job once again, and we have seen the vintage Glenn Maxwell again in T20. Today's RCB was literally being controlled by both Virat and Maxwell, and they have been in the liveliest form that so this is actually being an advantage for RCB. But ultimately, as you've seen later on, that Abraham Benjamin de Villiers has again failed for the third consecutive time when the IPL has returned to UAE. So do you think this is a major concern for the RCB batting lineup?
Yes, it has been, as we see that ABD has been their consistent run scorer for the years, and we have seen his great performances in the phase one too. So
Hmm.
quite looks surprising that ABD is not performing, and the downfall we can say he's. And on the other hand, talking about the Glenn Maxwell, so they have already got a huge boost we can say, as they bought Glenn Maxwell in. We have seen his performances in phase one too. He was great with his performance, and now he's in phase two. He's contributing with the bowling too. In
Yeah.
earlier match, he picked one wicket, I guess, and he picked two wickets today. So that all-rounder performance that RCB needs, that's a huge plus point for them in the remaining matches. And if they qualify, then it can be a very, you can say, handy for them in the playoffs too. So they have got
Hmm.
the match winner, you can say, in the form of Glenn Maxwell.
But also even we have seen that they have brought in Dan Christian, who was a little bit expensive first of all. And also even do you think that Wahindo Hassananga was only a better choice in terms of Daniel Christian?
No, no, both of them are not performing. That is the concern for them. Wanendu Hasaranga was very good performing, but not able to perform here. And
Mm.
talking about the Daniel Christian too, he wasn't able to perform that much here too, as we have seen him performing in BBL. He was great there, but performing in India and now in UAE, not quite much. You can say that brilliant performance from him. So that's a very bit concern from them as a foreigner all rounder.
Yeah. And also it's a being major concern for the country, especially for Wanindu Hasaranga, as he is the one of the main players for Sri Lanka is there while they are appearing for the 20 World Cup. And even if we are seeing on other conditions for the RCB batting, we have seen that even Harsha Patel was being promoted in the previous matches. And in this match, we see that the Jamison was being promoted like 11. So, so the RCB has been lacking in the finishing position, isn't it?
Might be because they are missing that old ABD. So
Oh,
otherwise, he was doing that job, that the finisher. We have already seen him in the first phase against KKR as in Chennai. You may know that his batting performance.
yeah.
So ABD and Maxwell, if they stay till the last, so they can do that finisher job for them. Otherwise, it's being a concern, as I say, Daniel Christian, or otherwise they could bring back Team David in, so
Hmm.
he can be playing that finisher role. We have seen him in CPL, so they can bring back him.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, sorry. The fly was here. Okay. Now let's come to the RCB's another batting that is concerning. KS Bharat, he has performed a decent job today, but do you think the KS Chahar Bucket Bharat is appropriately a best fit for the team? Or do you think any other player like Mohammad Azharuddin can come in place of him?
Might be because he is new case Bharat, they should give him more chances. Even Rajat Patidar was good, but don't know
Mm-hmm.
what happened. They gave him a few chances and they again removed him from the team. So now they should stick with KS Bharat. Otherwise, they will change it again, and that will spoil the team combination again, and that will affect them. So I feel they should play with him in the playing 11. They should give him more chances to prove him, and he can provide some good contribution to the team.
Okay. And also coming to another question is that RCB's batting has been so great this time, but in out of the 8 teams, what do you rank the RCB batting at?
RC batting as one.
I mean, in which rank do you rate the RCB batting? Out of the 8 teams, RCB's batting is out of which strongest? Out of the strongest means is strongest among which team and weakest among which? Means what I will say that there are the 8 batting units here in the IPL, and which with RCB lies in which rank? I want to see that. Say,
Mm, Probably third as per
third.
me.
Who are
First
above RCB?
would
Yeah,
first would be CSK. Their top order
yes.
is so strong. Then MI and then RCB. Still MI. Don't know what happened to them. Their middle order is lacking so much of performance. That's the reason of their defeats back to back. Don't know, not even performing. Both of them has went off form.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that's the main concern for MI. Openers are giving them good start, but after that, after openers, no one is even hardly performing. So it's been a very disappointing performance and lacking of consistency, you can say.
Okay. Now we are coming to
Whereas
the
still,
yeah. See?
Whereas RCB is still performing very well without their main, without the ABD performing.
Yeah.
So that's a good sign.
Okay. Now we are coming to another first segment that we are going to play with you currently. So it is, which IPL player are you? Okay. So I will be asking you 5 questions, and you have to say of your interest. And let's see which IPL player are you. Yesterday Shitanshu has played this, and he has got Sachin Tendulkar. Great match. Okay. So are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. First question is, would you change your team in different seasons? Your options are no. Option 2, definitely. Option C, I will try to. Option D, if I have to. Which one?
Different seasons.
Yeah, if you want to change team. So which one you want?
Option C.
I will try to. You want to have two teams. Okay, let's go. Wait a minute. Man. I will try to. Okay, let's see. What do you want to be remembered for? Okay, what do you want to be remembered for? Player of the tournament, highest wicket taker, best captain ever, or fastest century. Which one?
Best captain ever.
Best captain ever. Okay, next. It's going great one. Your playing style is competitive, dependable, unpredictable, or aggressive.
Mm, Competitive, you can say.
Competitive. Okay. Next, go for the fourth question coming up right now. How much do you think will you be sold at your best price? 12.5 crore, 7.5 crore, 9 crore, or 3.5 crore?
Mm, 7.5 crore, probably, according to my performance.
Okay, let's go next. Last question coming up right now. Which shot do you think you can pull off? Helicopter shot, reverse sweep. Batting is not my style. I'm a bowler. Or sixes. Just hit it all. Which one?
Um, Helicopter shot.
Helicopter. Can I really hit it?
I just try to. Haven't been hit in really, but I will try to hit that.
Okay. Now let's see which character. Oh, it's for expected after seeing the helicopter shot. It is a powerhouse. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, you possess the ability to destroy all your opponents. You have got skills like leadership, 100% experience, have your own unique style, and you had an immense popularity. And you have got none other than Mahendra Bahubali Singh Dhoni. Great one.
He's the Bahubali.
Yeah. Shitanshu, you got Sachin, you got Dhoni. Time for Shomro to get Virat Kohli. Okay. Now let's come to the Mumbai Indians batting currently. And Mumbai Indians, as we have seen, after openers, every team fall down like a bunch of packets that I have earlier mentioned. So what is actually causing this middle order to collapse?
Can't say anything means. My strength was their middle order. So and now missing of Hardik Pandya to cause them damage, and off form of Surya Kumar Yadav and Kishan Kishan. They were consistent run scorers for MI, but they are off color since this phase started. So that's the concern again. They have to play well, and Krunal Pandya have to contribute something through the batting. As an all-rounder, he should be contributing something. Otherwise, they have to replace him with Anukul Roy or Arjun Tendulkar. So he should
What do you
perform. Yeah,
Arjun
might be.
Tendulkar, is it too early for him to come into the squad?
Yep, might be. But
Uh-huh.
if if they think they can, otherwise Anukul Roy is great. Anukul Roy is a great replacement. And concerning about the Kyron Pollard's form too. As we have seen, he wasn't even performing very well in CPL, except 2-3 matches. So uh, their middle order is lacking very bad, and that's the reason they are losing the matches. They haven't got that match winners performance. They have lost it completely. Rohit and Quinton de Kock are performing very well.
Yeah.
So far the story is openers will give a good start and then middle order will fall
Fair
like
enough.
yeah. So that's the reason to loss. And even if in the bowling, Bumrah is very Bumrah is
Hmm.
exceptional, and even we can see Rahul Char off the form too. So that might be the concern for Team India too, because he is in the T20 World Cup squad. So he needs to get back in the form as early as possible. So it would be helpful for both of the teams.
So Mumbai Indians has been now currently at a seventh position. This has been literally disappointing to the Mumbai Indians back at seventh position after 2009. At that time, Mumbai Indians were at seventh and Kolkata was at the last position. It was during the disaster time, and after 21 minus 19, sorry, 9, 12 years, the history repeats itself again once again. But still, the time is not yet over. But it's history repeating again, and we are back at seven. Just the difference is that KK not at the eight. Literally, our Hyderabad team, which was champion at that time, is now at the eight.
Oh, what a coincidence.
Yeah, and even in that Hyderabad team, Rohit Sharma was one of the major players. There is Tigan Churches I'm talking about. It was actually a Hyderabad based team. Okay, before going on another, we want to wish some great cricketer a happy birthday. So this cricketer is from New Zealand, and this man has been one of the best New Zealand skippers ever. He's currently a cricket coach, and he has been a commentator, and he has great records to him. He has the fastest Test 100. He has the fastest Test 100, just scoring of 53 or 57 balls, 100 runs. He is currently the coach of the Kolkata Knight Riders, and he is the BMAC, the Bass, the Brendel, Mr. Fantastic, Brandon Barry McCallum. Wishing a happy birthday from the team of Sportsbet to you, sir, Brandon McCallum. Hope you keep coaching the team well and you have a great influence for the New Zealand squad that has reached the 2015 World Cup final. Even though they were not able to win, but you have the major role and you played a major role in making that a success, a huge success for New Zealand cricket. And ultimately, guess what? 2021 led to a first World Cup that is the World Test Championship. So it's a happy birthday from us and the team of Sportsbet. So happy birthday, sir. Okay, now let's come back to the segment. Now we are going for the prediction segment. Okay, the prediction segment first of all tomorrow only one match is there, unfortunately, and it's between the sixth team and the eighth team. That is the Sunrisers Hyderabad and the Punjab Kings. Sorry, Punjab, not the Rajasthan Royals. So first of all, who is going to win this match?
I feel Rajasthan Royals.
Have you taken your trust over Sunrisers Hyderabad completely?
But don't know that where is where is that old SRH, because they were
Hmm.
reaching the playoffs since 2016 till 2020, and now they are
Yeah,
currently positioned at 8. So not getting the things right this year, that was the worst part for them. So might see, and Holder wasn't able to get them home
hmm.
last night too. So it was like it's not there in the fortune. So can't say what will he do. But still they can spoil the team's foundation, which are you can say that which are very they need a win, so they can play that spoil sport part.
And it's also actually rival for the Mumbai Indians. Actually, they also even not only Mumbai Indians but also Kolkata Knight Riders and even Punjab Kings will be praying to God that please God Punjab should win this match. Otherwise, it will be difficult. Otherwise, they will have to face another new competition for Rajasthan Royals because they also have still a chance of qualifying for the playoff. And now coming up is the who is going to be the highest run scorer.
Rajasthan Royals.
Yeah.
Hmm, Liam Livingstone.
Okay. And even if we compare from the Sunrise Hyderabad squad,
David Warner. He should perform now. He's
yeah,
also off form for literally one-digit scores, and that's the concern for them. Not getting the things right. Team combination is good, but not players aren't even performing. So it's a very bad phase for them.
now the last question is who is going to be the highest wicket taker? I think it might be between two options I'm giving you. Rashid Khan, or it's going to be either Kartik Tyagi, Chetan Sakaria, or Mustaqi. Out of these four, who is going to be the highest wicket taker? Because we all know that from this four only a highest wicket taker will come.
Hmm. Mustafizur Rahman can be.
Okay, Mustafizur is going to be the highest wicket taker of the night. So these are our predictions today for the Master Ball Sunrise Hyderabad match, which is going to happen on Monday. So guys, that's all it for today from our guest Bhushan today again. Thank you for joining us today. Okay, guys, like, share, subscribe once again, and don't forget to click on the notification option and follow us every time. So that's it, guys. Bye. Also, we will be joining with Pro Wrestling News, and today is WWE Extreme Rules 2021. Roman Reigns will be taking on Finn Balor for the Demon Finn Balor for the Universal Championship and also United States Championship triple threat match between Sheamus, Jeff Hardy, and even Damian Priest. So don't forget to catch the Extreme Rules today at 5:30 a.m. on Sony Sports Network, and don't forget to join the meeting with us. That's it for guys. Bye.